Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my channel Grandma's Word. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings to other words, but they can add variety and depth to your language. Whether you are a student looking to improve your essay or just someone who loves words, this video is for you. Please keep in mind that some synonyms in this lesson might not be perfect synonyms. There may be slight differences in meaning. For example, the word smart and wise, both of them meaning intelligent. But the word wise also implies that the person has additional good judgment and deep perception about life. Synonyms are often used in different collocations too. For example, we can describe either a person or an idea as brilliant, but only a person can be astute. Powerful, potent, and firm are synonyms for strong. A person with a strong voice can have a powerful voice, but not a potent voice. A strong alcoholic drink can be potent, but not firm. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more language tips and tricks. Now let's get started with 100 English synonyms to expand your vocabulary.